Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking alignment and hardware tightness. This is where most problems reveal themselves. Remove loose screws and tighten the hinge leaves, then lift the door slightly to see binding points. Once done, mark any warp jams and measure gap widths at top, middle, and bottom. That tells you whether to plane, shim, or adjust hinges. Make sure to keep parts organized and label them so you can reinstall in the original order without guessing. You now perform the core adjustments. Loosen top and bottom hinge screws slightly, then pivot the door until gaps are even. Tighten while testing swing. If sag exists, insert thin shims behind hinge mortise to raise the jam. If the door rubs the frame, plane, or sand the edge, minimal amounts and recheck. Meanwhile, align the strike plate by marking where the latch contacts. Then move or file the plate so the latch enters cleanly. This preserves security and prevents repeated jamming. You finish by sealing and protecting adjustments. Install weather stripping, caulk gaps, and touch-up paint to prevent moisture damage. Once hardware is secure, test locking and closing multiple times. Make sure the door closes with a firm, even contact. If problems persist, squeaks, or uneven gaps, reinspect hinge screws, tighten progressively, and adjust shims. If the latch binds, loosen screws and realign the strike plate. The key troubleshooting tip: isolate whether the issue is hinge-related or jam-related before making further cuts or replacements.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.